Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing review. Checking out this Letour light. This is basically a little cordless light that you can put in your closet, put in your, wherever you want to. Hang this up in your tent as you're camping. I have a nice little hook here, USB input and output here, and our power button. So turn that on. It's gonna show you the battery at 86%. And well, that's bright. Okay, and we can change it up from the white aspect as bright. And then we have the, if you want to get someone's attention, pull somebody over. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, we have that, and then we have a little USB charging port, and then we have little, oh, okay. Yeah, those are magnets on there. So you could technically just stick these on somewhere, and then these little metal things in your closet or wherever, and then your light is just gonna stick right on there. So that's very cool. So these are little magnets on the back. So very cool. Let's charge this up. This can also be used to charge up your phone. Features a 7,500 milliamp hour capacity. So that's about 2 of my phones-ish. So that's pretty nice if you need that in a pinch to charge up your phones. Nice bright light. Let's just charge this up to full. And our little screen shows it's charging up. So it shouldn't take too long to charge. This is a pretty fast charger I got. Pretty cool. I like that it's super bright, like you can do the different colors. Easy to work with. It's very lightweight too. Looks like we can even have, if you have one of those cameras, like this looks like the same adapting screw, where if you mount it on a tripod or something like that, so you can give yourself a nice work light or something like that. Especially if you don't have a plug-in, you're away from that, just pull this out, keep one in your car or something. These magnets are strong enough so any metal is just gonna stick on there, and we can turn this on. Have our nice bright light. Could turn off the light in the room, and we are fully illuminated. So if the lights go out, power goes out, anything like that, you got plenty of light here for quite a bit of time. All right, guys, well, I started this at like 10, and it's almost 12 o'clock now, about 10 minutes till. Down about 40% in a couple of hours, and this is on the brightest setting here. So I think it'll last quite a long time. Probably like 5 hours maybe on this. So pretty impressive. Okay, if I want to charge up my phone using this as well. We see it's charging at 57%. So it's not super fast charging or anything like that, but it'll still get your phone charged up when you need it. And you can see, puts out a lot of light there. All right, so here it is in my backyard. I have a setup right here, and casts a lot of light. Let's go onto my side yard though. You can see this just brightens up the whole area nicely. I mean, here's a side yard, and if I throw the light down there, let's see, it's not like concentrated, right? But it'll brighten up the whole area. So if I put it over here, it's pitch black, and I move it, so you can see it just really does, it throws out a wide thing. So even if I'm over here, I can still see over here really well. All right, this is putting out like enough light to brighten up this whole room. I could literally sit here and read by this. This room is almost completely blacked out, as I'll show you here. Just turn this. I just have it hooked on the fan right here. So we can have this light. We have the yellow light if we want, or we can have both. Look at that. It's pretty bright. It's a lot brighter than like some ceiling fans, actually. Pretty crazy. We could just switch it to the flashing lights, but you can see how dark it is in here if I just turn this off. It's pretty dark, and this just brightens up the whole thing. I mean, I could sit here and read a book by this. It's so bright. So that's really impressive. Just to show you guys what I'm talking about, we got plenty of light in there. A lot of times, you know, you open your closet and you can't really see anything in there, but this is, you could, with these magnets, these strong magnets, you can hook it on different places. Let's see, this one has a, so it can only hook on there, but if I had another one there, you can put it anywhere you want to hold this up. Well, my friends, this is just a great, versatile light. Final thoughts on that. It just does, it lasts a long time. It's easy to turn on and off. Magnets are strong to actually hold it. So you can put it anywhere. The hook also too, if you need to hook it on something. So, and you can use it, the little screw there for the camera mount or things like that for a tripod. So lasts a long time. You can charge other things up with it, and it seems pretty durable as well. Easy to use, easy to turn on. Just an excellent little light for, you know, short power outages, anything like that. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.